Your doggy got a house. It's so fancy. I bet it's got all them friends on the block. Don't be fools by the rock she got. She's still Jenny from the block. Is this a trampoline? Oh, that didn't work. Huh, I wish you could have seen that.
and for Miss Winter Wonderland's third runner-up goes to April.
Oh my God! I accept. I just want to sing Jack Frost, Santa Claus,
and Karen
Penguin, Snowflake, Winter Wonderland, Alice the Snow version, and why is this outside? What have you been keeping this outside for? Is this a forestry? This is green. This is so economical.
What happened to the top?
Broken trophy?
Wah, wah.
Get on the trampoline.
Get on the trampoline. Get on the trampoline. Move the shit on the trampoline.
Yeah. Oh, it's a ghost. I'm scared.
I'm a ghost.
Sound. Oh, I got my flip-flops on.
You got your flippy-floppies. She got her flippy-floppies on. She takes her flippy-floppies off. She taking them off.
No. Oh, my boobs are bouncing way too much for this. They're bouncing too much, baby. This just turned into a party. Oh, this big girl's got tired fast.
And now I'm dead. Because we bossed.
She did. I'm a boss. I don't know about her. I fired her last week.
Can you break me?
Yeah, I'll break you.
Yeah, break this popcorn.
You can't tell that you're bouncing. Look at that booty, girl.
Show me your booty hole.
Oh gosh, she's gonna do it.
No, nobody needs to see my booty
Why
hole.
we always gotta see her booty crack in every video? Stepping off the trampoline.
Stepping off the trampoline.
We old.